I was born into the bridal industry, raised in my family's bridal salon. My father is one of the most sought-after bespoke bridal gown designers in Los Angeles. Being a bridal expert, I have styled thousands of brides and have answered infinite questions about bridal beauty, fashion, vendors, lifestyle, and now I'm going to introduce you to the best in the industry. I'm here to help you with all your questions for this significant milestone in your life. I've teamed up with Enzoani, one of the world's leading bridal fashion houses that can be found in over 60 countries, as their brand ambassador. I'm Arsine Edjhuryan, and this is Real Bride.
Hi everyone, thank you for watching another episode of Real Bride brought to you by Enzoani. I'm Arsine Edjhuryan and I'm back at Blush Bridal in Orange County with Carly.
Woohoo! We're so excited you guys are back. We've also been lucky enough to have the beautiful 2019 collection for the past 2 weeks, and we can't wait to show you what we've got.
Stay tuned. So Carly's first pick from the Beautiful collection is the BT19-27. Carly, what do you love about this gown?
This is a really interesting dress because it has that very clean, modern, classic look to it, but you also get this little touch of lace on it. So it's still got some texture and dimension while still being very clean and classic looking.
The off-shoulder is trending in the bridal world right now, and this burnout lace is amazing for photos. Next up, we have the BT19-1. Carly?
I love this dress. It's got a beautiful, dreamy, flowy, soft skirt for the bottom, and I love how they paired it with the beaded bodice. So you really get a little bit of that sparkle around the face. There's the beaded straps. You don't need to do a ton of jewelry, but it's just that really good mix of glammy, but really soft and romantic as well.
And what I love about this shape is that it's pretty soft and flowy, but you can add a petticoat under to give it a little bit more drama, have it a little more full, almost on the ball gown side. Next, we have the BT19-2.
We are so in love with this modern, clean look that we're seeing a lot of right now, but it's nice on this style, you do get a little bit of touch of the lace. What we're really obsessed with though is these side cutouts, and they're kind of twofold. You get a little bit of that sexiness from the cutout, but it also really highlights the hourglass and actually gives the illusion of more of an hourglass if it's not there.
And again, the stretch georgette, I can't stress enough. If you want a comfortable gown or you're looking for something as a second dress to dance in, you want to try on one of our stretch georgette gowns from the Beautiful collection. Thank you for watching another episode of Real Bride brought to you by Enzoani. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below. We'll see you next time.